Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome. This is a channel for all post-production and Final Cut Pro. So if you're interested in that, I would like you to consider subscribing or liking this video if this helped you out. This video will be a very quick video. This is catered to beginners in Final Cut Pro, but if you're experienced in Final Cut Pro, this may help you out too as well. Now let's get on into the video. Okay, so we have two clips here. And we're just gonna add our flash transition to make this clip a little bit more interesting. So we're gonna go to our transitions tab right here, and we're gonna go to lights right here, and we're gonna click on this flash transition, and we're gonna drag this in between our two clips here. And depending on how you want it, you can stretch the clip. Well, I can't stretch it right now because you can just bring it in or bring it out as much as you want. I'm just gonna bring it out to right here so we can see how this looks with the flash transition. Looks pretty good. I like the way it leads into this next scene right here. We can also decrease the time of the light. Let's see how this looks. Nice as well. So you can choose if you want the transition to be longer or shorter. It's just really up to you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this helped you out. You can use this in music videos, you can use this in commercials, you can use this in all types of things. If this video helped you out, consider liking, consider subscribing, because we will be dropping a lot more content. This channel will help you out, so consider subscribing, and I will see you guys soon. All right, thank you.